Hello, this is Rolando from Monday Lab, and in my demo, I decided to check if they were to either go through path A, which would be up the stairs, or path B. And then once doing that, I also created when they would enter and see when they would exit. This allowed me to try to see which path they took, how long they took in that path, and I also added in a sprint button to allow players to run through. But each time they use a sprint button, I increment it to see how many times they click it. I just wanted to know if it was something that players would actually use. That's why I decided to see the increments. And another thing, once I looked at my data, I thought it would be interesting to see how many times players would get hit once using the sprint button. So when I used my once I added some of the parts into the this section, I added one to check when they entered and exited. Up here is the one for the walking speed, and this is the increment to get the sprint. So when they run, I would be allowed to see. This is where the damage is. Both spikes and boulders separated, but I added them together in my data. And here I collected sprints to see how many they would use. This usually just let me see if they were running a lot, how many times they clicked the sprint button. Usually players would hold it down, so when it was one or two, that meant they held it out through the whole run. Or and people that usually let go, a lot of times they were trying to be more precise with their jumps, so they're being more like wary of their damage. And I'm pretty sure that's all I added in.